My name is Homer Vargas, and I'd like to thank all of you this morning. And we are now in Hispanic Heritage Month. Y quiero desearles a todos un buen día y un buen mes, a todos mis amigos, mis amigas. Y gracias a Dios por todas las oportunidades que da. Y a todos, a mis amigos y a mis amigas, que tengan un buen mes de Hispanic, a los hispanos, y ¡viva México!
All right.
Gracias a Dios.
Hola, Tino, from Puerto Rico.
Hola.
And there's the Alamo. At the Dora's Mexican restaurant.
Picturean kita, tapos hawakan mo yung ulo.
Good thing we got shade because it's hot. I am taking a video. Starting with the onions.
Cleaning the barbecue.
Using the onions to clean the barbecue. Okay. What's up, Ace? You having fun? All right. Wow, look at that. He's actually going that far out. Go Ace.
Here comes David again. Woo!
You've already been on it with me, but
Good job, David.
I've never seen you go.
Fun? Here we go. Since David doesn't have any phone, and I'm helping him to do his blog on YouTube. Okay, hold on. He's gone. Where he's gone. I cannot see him. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Should I push him? Should I push him? What? Oh, they have fish. Let's catch it so we can eat it. Cool. I know. Holy crap, that's a lot of fish. Fish everywhere. We can have a fried fish right here.
You can't go diving in and just catch them with your hand and be like, okay.
Right? Fish, bulan. Buwan. This one, and this one, and we have the cooked one, and we have danggit. Fresh from Cebu. We have danggit.
Wow.
This is fresh from Cebu.
Huh.
Dried fish or stinking fish.
Hola, desde el otro lado. And here we are at the Little Taco Factory, a place I like to come when I want to get breakfast tacos as a treat for my co-workers. But today it's just me, so let's see what we got. 12 breakfast tacos. I guess let me get 3 bean and cheese tacos.
3 minutes.
Yeah. That's it. Just that.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. And here we are for our anniversary meal. We're checking out the Red Robin, famous for the Philippines, and it's here in San Antonio. We're gonna get something to eat.
Yeah, check down here.
why not? It's our first time here, so might as well experience Red Ribbon. I almost called it Red Robin like the other place, but God, look at this stuff. Looks so good. Ube coconut roll, mango roll, and the ube overload. Ah. Hella buck, huh? Try their halo. I keep saying it wrong. Halo, not halo. Halo. Wow, that is really different. It's like really sweet. It's got like, what is it, mango ice cream she said it was, instead of purple ube. Definitely got a different kick to it than. I don't remember if I